Have you ever wondered how something as simple as sunlight can actually power your entire home? It might sound unbelievable at first, but every day, millions of homes around the world are using the sun's energy to keep the lights on, run appliances, and even charge electric cars. It almost feels like magic, doesn't it? But behind this magic is some truly fascinating science and clever engineering. Solar panels are designed to capture the sun's rays and transform them into usable electricity, making it possible for us to harness clean, renewable energy right where we live. These shiny panels you see on rooftops are called solar panels, and they're like special plates that collect sunlight and turn it into electricity. Each panel is made up of lots of tiny cells called photovoltaic cells, which work together to capture sunlight and convert it into power for your home. It's almost like having a miniature power plant right on your roof, quietly working all day long to provide energy without any pollution or noise. The more sunlight your panels get, the more electricity they can make. So, are you ready to discover the secrets behind these amazing solar panels? Let's dive in and explore how they work and why they're such an important part of our clean energy future. Solar panels are made up of smaller units called solar cells, which are like the building blocks of solar power. These cells are made from a special material called silicon, which is found in sand. Silicon is a semiconductor, meaning it can conduct electricity under certain conditions, like when sunlight hits it. Think of silicon as a gatekeeper for electrons, the tiny particles that carry electricity. When sunlight, which is made of tiny packets of energy called photons, strikes the solar cells, it energizes the electrons in the silicon. This energy makes the electrons jump around, creating an electrical current. Imagine a bunch of tiny balls bouncing around with excitement. That's what the electrons are doing when sunlight hits them. When sunlight hits solar panels on your roof, they start generating electricity right away. This electricity is known as direct current, or DC for short. In DC, the electrical energy flows in a single direction, much like cars traveling down a one-way street. This is the natural way that solar panels produce power, and it's perfect for storing energy in batteries or powering certain devices directly. But here's the catch. Most of the appliances and devices we use every day, like your refrigerator, television, or even your phone charger, aren't designed to run on DC. Instead, they need alternating current, or AC, which is a different kind of electricity where the flow of electrons constantly reverses direction, like traffic switching back and forth on a busy street. AC is the standard for homes and businesses because it's easier to transmit over long distances and works with the electrical grid. That's why all the outlets in your house provide AC power and why your appliances are built to use it. So if you want to use the clean, renewable energy from your solar panels to power your home, you need a way to convert that DC electricity into AC electricity. That's where the inverter comes in. Think of the inverter as a smart traffic controller for your home's energy. It takes the one-way DC electricity from your solar panels and transforms it into the back-and-forth AC electricity that your appliances crave. Modern inverters are highly efficient and packed with technology. They constantly monitor the flow of electricity, making sure your home gets exactly what it needs, and even shutting down automatically if there's a problem to keep everything safe. Thanks to inverters, the energy from your solar panels is seamlessly converted and delivered to your lights, appliances, and devices. This means you can enjoy all the comforts of home, powered by the sun, without even noticing a difference. So with the help of inverters, solar power becomes truly home-friendly, letting you enjoy clean, green energy every day, right from your rooftop. Sometimes, our solar panels generate more electricity than we need at that moment. On especially sunny days, when the sun is shining brightly and there's not a cloud in the sky, our solar panels can produce a lot of extra power, sometimes much more than our household is using right then. This is one of the great advantages of having solar panels on your roof. Instead of wasting this extra energy, we can actually send it back to the electrical grid, which is the network of power lines that connects homes and businesses. The grid acts like a giant energy highway, moving electricity from where it's made to where it's needed. When your home produces more solar energy than you can use, that extra power flows out through your electric meter and into the grid, where it can help power your neighbors' homes or local businesses. This process is known as net metering, and it's kind of like having a two-way street for electricity. With a special bidirectional meter, you can actually see the electricity flowing both into your home and back out to the grid. Net metering keeps track of how much energy you send out versus how much you use from the grid, making it easy to balance your energy needs. When we send extra solar energy to the grid, we get credits from the electric company. It's almost like getting paid for sharing our solar power. These credits can be used to offset the cost of electricity you use at night or on cloudy days, when your panels aren't producing as much. It's a win-win. You help supply clean energy to your community, and you save money at the same time. This helps us save money on our electricity bills and really makes the most of a clean, renewable energy. By sending extra solar power to the grid, we're not only reducing our own costs, but also supporting a cleaner, greener future for everyone. It's a simple way to make a big difference, both for your wallet and for the planet.